Kisi university nganzi hostels tebuati.
Education system even putting our women into groups by hostel is just something that is accessible. But
by the way,
yes,
use the private sector.
You just put them together, have them registered, put a small pool. Taalabu no mojumbe genda Kenya Women Enterprise Fund. Bateye banginawe babu ataine bare buya baji million ikomichioka. Bako beka hostel.
They will put up
and
very nice
put
ones.
in as the guarantor.
It is true.
Mojumbe. Then because we don't have land. Bangina bali baraleme.
It is true.
So that those opportunities don't come. Ino energy para bangina they are able ko bwate chitende jantu bakokora. But mojumbe nero kokora chitenda. What do you expect? Yeah.
That's
it. And that is why we are living our professional life. I could have stayed just at the back of everything. But yes, because the problem everywhere. So, but we have to come here. Just this guy. Yeah, ala agenda kwanza ala understand because what is missing is both education and exposure in terms of not necessarily wisdom. In fact, you miss wisdom, you miss education, you miss exposure, you are a disaster, you are a mess. That is what we are trying to cure.
A problem trying to cure.
Yeah, in fact, he can even become a problem to himself.
That's true.
Yeah.
Honestly, we need such kind of
become a danger because when them mate mali nga ina bantu no 1000 jiere katikati bantu bao kongenta
itakuwa shida.
Yeah, we better protect you mapema. Yes, we are trying to help him.
You guys like him.
Because,
you want to protect him.
No, we are trying to protect him taitwa because we ndo sera bantu 500 jiere bantu bakobwatere mali asoka bwato sentara baito mujumbe twa akire kura. So that is what we are trying to help him that we can do things different.
In a nutshell, you are confirming here. Omongwanu kuzairi janda akuruhusu. Kutali asengenjaro mwini. Asengenjega asiangile.
No. In fact, the debate about who he is, his color, that is not the debate. I've never even mentioned that.
You even supported him?
No, I did. You can say that. And I even supported, paid for. He should check his records. But I was not supporting him for him to support me back. I've never gone to him or to his office asking him, no. He should check his goal. All I've ever come to look for any job. I don't even know where CDF office is. But when you try to separate these things, him as an individual, we have no problem.
All right.
The problem is the style of managing our resources. You cannot have 500 million and there's nothing somebody is seeing around. Baba nyakundi gali bairu gesankega noje pal. No endo na bantu about complain, but there's something. That's the same.
It's like they're in different governments.
That is it. And we are not saying they're supposed to support Jubilee for them to be relevant. They have done something.
Yes.
Our MP has done nothing. That he has done nothing. Umano minto tell me 1 kilometer yagache nyaliwa chache the last 4 years. If you have any, that one go kwa 100,000.
Na kuna
1 kilometer ye lami agachite 2022 2025
2025.
Nothing. Yes. So if you have half a billion, go and call 200 million, otebe 12 ne pino ne basari. Turagachi gendu, turagachi no ne bridge go saruka ali masonga ali abana bara basakogu.
Aminto. Yeah. Evyongozi gosoka muri sana mwatu rasama ngana maneno naona wakwanira. Abantu bekali baonjoka.
Yes.
Twashwe ngana kito koratu ku trust wa waswali you'll be able to deliver just the same way wakwanira.
Tigangote onye gwakineire as a system twaitire some of us. I'll tell you, he also says it and abana abandi bakori ikikura. Kwaitire shide. Trust me, nonyola 100 bob toko nyetumia buno monto tamanye tinga kianyola 100. You have gone through hardship. It will not be proper and it will not actually go well with you onye tokunyala kuirana. Omonto ina endo mubeka Nairobi anya background kere poor. He'll come with the money kwa mwaira nembaka so kwanza alagiria abantu bamwa.
Yes.
Amanye kuira no mubwate. That is the spirit of somebody who has grown in this problem.
That's true.
If you didn't grow here, utachense wende skuru class kia momo wende obogorie sike na maje nekebuse moche muome mumanye gukora amateo
ogurusika mpaka maje
moche muome mumanye gukora amateo. If somebody does not go to that system, kakonywa jibesa Nairobi mwana minti, he'll only change the estate. But you'll bunanyora jibesa, he'll come back to Kisii. Thank you. Ours, we are tira Nairobi and wabutoru jibesa, jabe kwe serikali montoe, jiato mugusie constituency obogori jibesa irana na Nairobi. The other way, the other person will get the money. Buna ujibesa ijuno CDF yasoka ya marawa. Umujumbo le nomo. Miaka yonse twakina igakuminyoka gusi babanya chaiga iga the moment tiebesa yasoka iga yeserikali yokumanyore kinyoro omo gako ngeli abantu all our leaders, that's why I'm telling you babo biri let's be honest ubiri agosoka ku Nairobi bunebesa ya CDF yasoka kwenda ikanza na bante kinyoro ime ngakimwaro but yo itu bunebesa yasoka na liago tsunji kurende. So that is the difference. You not see him in town. He'll be Nairobi because in some street there. That is not what somebody who has gone through our system alakore. I want to give 100% guarantee. I'm not looking for money. I'm not looking for fame. That is what somebody was complaining. It's not always about money. It's about the conviction that your legacy, our youth, trust me, we will be creating opportunity after opportunity. This one has to be put in the eyes of the people.
Okay.
That once this opportunity, our first destination in where do we start? Public participation, consult them. Bagotebiga intugaiga shida talinjara. Shida mwana onekoro muire university ngakowesa ngakora mbake konda no halisko. But you mujumbe dobwate ere will sell that space and I chako 200. Do you think I can be Nairobi ginkale koni river? Dio mwana nayo chako. In fact we normally get bakelia koni kukwara gora omont. Yes, but tell me 1, 2, 3 positions you mwana ondago lira gatoletra. Kusema bagankoni what. Mojumbe first thing you'll do with that money you are giving people. Yeah? Gorama baga naye letra abantu. Kole graduation buno sorale gokora muisonda.
Ndiki at least. Bwana mheshimiwa iga Kisii County. Tonyolre abananchi ba complain amane viongozi yolichi gun. Tetu kubuli gaba kusibara maismar. From where you stand, no safe.
Ngegerongo lini Kenya libali chache.
Okay.
Ubujumbe. Umujumbe one amocha ni atemenga nga. Ulitukerimo. Chigura no tokotigira tuchakuli gazi now. Sasa I have to put that one very clear. We will be as good as anything. No violence, we'll be very happy. Kinko gubakale say tonga ke okabuna bali ngetaracha na njio ko ngirunkale ibeno.
Ego.
That is the way it should be, and it's issue based. Lakini the moment we could decide it's violence, that is now how we'll define the terrain. We'll understand the trend from them because he's in government. Government, the president, government will be everywhere else. Anybody will cause violence. It cannot be Virun. It will only be him. So the moment, and I'll put this one, this is a clear notice. Ataki abana baitu babegete chi reflector gaiga, chi support O'Matiang'i gaiga kigati.
Yes.
We didn't do anything. I only took the kids nkabaira Nyagitari. 1 or 2, I think, yeah, they went to hospital. And nkabaye besa, bagende bakoleki, barwaligwe. That was, let's assume it was by mistake. Talibo, comes can fight. Let us watch the movement. You know, it is a hand for hand. You go to attack, we will make sure na ito go korakazi no more. I can tell you. Yeah. I stay to go to Sabirana because I have to put this one very clearly. And I think for the first time, we are not going to go Tegerera, go Tongaina. We are not going to tolerate go to Rwanda. Buno go to Rwanda, we will fight you very hard.
Back.
Very hard. say I don't know. Anybody I can tell you for free. Inka into what goons.
No,
the other constituencies.
The reason I still have a question. Again, O'Matiang'i, we heard what was happening in Kisi Town. It was not a good show. I want to know they can be found anywhere else.
Yeah, but I think that one has had a different dimension. The infiltration is not by Omojumbe. Let's be
no. What we are saying, it's a culture we see on.
No, but
what
it's coming from
outsiders.
It's coming from outsiders.
Yes.
Because by
the
so
way,
we never know who sent them. They can be it could have been Gladys Wanga sending people for us not to look popular. But I don't want to blame our people. I don't think Mogosi Nanje to Montole violent. Tanjit Montole violent. To allow Euligeria terrain, particularly I'll talk about this Nyaribari church. Into a tokwa Kiromonto we Kanisa. Chikuranya is a church elder. Mobavonge church elder. Majoga has been a church elder. Tongi church elder. Monda church elder. It is now that we are not sure of who we have, but before we were really nice. The same no Mboge tutu. Same of us. Want to kanisa, but what any problem. It's now that what mangana makong. Yeah, but I think at the end of the day we'll know how to fix them.
Thank you. We want to move see a safe ones.
Thank you.
Now we are almost coming to an end of the show. The amble slightly about the national politics.
Yeah.
Matiang'i sege kundi kia united opposition. Unokuligirira towards 2027. But igarama were united.
What the option? I'll say that one from the onset. Option Teyo. But in the highs yomogusi. Batwale option as long as Matiang'i have a flag bearer. That is only, that is how extreme we are.
As in the best.
He is the best. Tokobeka in the same scale Obeka Gashagwa na Matiang'i. On the same scale Tokobeka Matiang'i na Eugene Amaro. On the same scale you can't put Kalonzo Musyoka with the new dispensation. Kale na watu walikote Kalonzo Mbuyale ola vile serikali. But somebody has been a minister for over 30 years. Vice President, 5 years, combined, karibu 40 years. We are only trying to test new minds. We only tested Fred 5 years while working under somebody. If we gave him this mandate, let's be honest. And Omogusi, this is the only opportunity to what? To get to the extent of having a presidential candidate it will take another 100 years. Trust me, I'll tell you, I was there. I was in the Nairobi. That's how we ended up electing Kones. Yes. Beyond there, we were just local. Konyoro monto ngoenda Thika town Matiang'i ande konyo nature yes town yego sieka it will take 100 years.
Tarraisi.
Yeah, no inje Burundi ngo ikao. Yeah.
Igoto buate romo ngwano kabisa.
It is the only time. Gachagua ara tebe Matiang'i. Yeah. Kalonzo gukwa na Matiang'i. We have never had a kisi gukwa no gali. We have politicians who are accessible or acceptable across the country. Moske Senator Kisi Momoimo. Any poll will tell you that he is known literally in every corner of this country.
Yes.
Abuate Fred Okoboko, he can sell him to any corner of this country. Yes, trust me. But I don't think he can be a presidential candidate in the face that Matiang'i had to carry. Akong. So that is the only person I think who would have matched. Almost matched that he can be known even Mandela. Okay, I was with the Mosque Senator Nyaururu. Abantu mama not even the other candidates. Mama it even one Nyaururu. But the Senator Nyonka. Yes. Yeah, some place local, rural place. So that is a person who can sell. The same na Matiang'i across the country. I don't think we have that.
Okay.
And we'll never get that if we lose this opportunity. You know wake kura. Chibesa tika chiretu. Chibesa siyo cha kumuru monongai. Gusi. Kuoro kintu ntuli hamana umwano ito. so mpaka moyo ujibesa chinyinge mono jigwetera mpaka omonto otabugete nari serikali iyo naye yani chikura nkori ginjubirinde omonto agocha kuruga boli omanyito oyo tanya kobori kura oyo takobuga kura lakini agocha nero gosera otenga ya bono nche nkobanga ndegazi gega bono O'Matiang'i to support the last minute wacha gotama so we have to be very careful
on the loyo mubarore
tuba manyete mapema buna nyali bari chacha no siasa ya cha getere muriro bwatete ogiranga ande bakirete baganye 2027 iga to bwate candidates right left and center enda matanga bono iga oyo ndogo sera muina na muisonde ODM bwato mujumbe oyo nde aspirant bekera ini eshidera enkong
mheshimiwa kwani na wananchi bago bakitusi yanyali bari chache your last words as we finish up the show.
Asante ase abantu baminto ase mwabeta nyari balionse kuru nyabiosinse paka nyansanja alia enko basora 2027 let us make a very informed decision. A decision yegoro kianga omugusi na bako nyara ku decide umugambi umuyora abakonye. Teringa guesswork. Ebesa gekoretu lagera. Nandi muboli next thing aitogocha because yebese ine aitobayirire lakini chikure chichigocha tuigora maiso 2027 omusike O'Matiang'i obeketik nainje buna birundu on support 2027 imbakorere gazi kworo kinga kigazi bonete gokora. Thank you so much.
Mbemono sana bagusie simole sogera chinga kicheino gochagamo kwa times wategera umushima birundu gakwana anyuko bate maswali andonse na wo drop a comment section next time ngingo muumira na mubuli swali eli neli mheshimiwa obwate local national and international experience.
Thank you.
Kwa mie Belgium wale bogambe byo na bokorwo kwa mie Nairobi na kusia kwa Pedro.
Thank you.
Kora irobo gabyo agiteba ngulira togochi
onko irande mapema sana tio tukone 2028 my celebration nko bange program ya Marshall Plan inagotebi yo munyali bali charge
Marshall Plan.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.